Good morning, student friends. This is Dr. Sonar, BA, Assistant Professor, ASC College, Ramannagar, Burli. I am going to deliver a lecture on Unit number 4, Ecology, for BSc 1, Semester 1. Ecology is the science of relations between organism and the environment in the vicinity or nearby places. uh, Ecological factors is known as edaphic factor. The study of soil science is called as pedology. That is, pedos means soil and logos means study. So pedology is the science where we study soil characters. Soil is one of the important character ecological factor that affects the environment. Soil is the natural habitat for the plants and animals and microbes. Soil is the outermost layer of the earth crust. It supports the vegetation and supplies them with mineral, water, and also gives shelter to the living organisms. Soil has its own composition. The soil is complex, having solid, liquid, gaseous components with their own physicochemical properties and definite relationship with the others. The important edaphic factor are minerals, soil, texture, soil water, soil air, soil temperature, soil humus, that is organic matter, and soil organisms. So, uh, soil is soil particles are differentiated on the basis of diameter, and first one is gravel soil, that is having above 2 2 mm size. The coarse sand, that is having a diameter of about 2 to 0.2 mm, and fine sand, that is of about 0.2 to 0.02 mm. Silt sand, silt soil is of having 0.02 to 0.002 mm size, while clay soil or clay includes below 0.002 mm size. So this is all about the soil structure. Soil factor or edaphic factors are classified into two parts or two types. First is soil water and second one is soil air. Soil water deals with the important, which is important for the many processes. Water that is absorbed by the roots from the soil. The amount of water available to the plants depends on type and physical properties of the soil. Water in soil mainly comes from the rainwater, hills, sheets, sleets, snow, and irrigation water. Second one is soil air. Water holding capacity is differentiated as the amount of hygroscopic and capillary water present in the soil is known as water holding capacity, which is beneficial for the plant growth and development. Soil air has porous structure, and soil temperature is the next factor, which is most important factor in the soil composition. Soil temperature is very important because it affects physical, chemical, biological processes in the plants like absorption of water and nutrients, seed germination, root growth, and activities of microorganisms. The sun is the primary source of heat for soil along with the warm rains and decaying organic matter. The daily range in soil temperature may vary greatly. The moisture in the soil controls the soil temperature considerably, and hence the soil temperature is an important factor. or composition. Soil humus is the next, or soil organic matter is the next composition component of the soil. The humus is one of the most important factor, which is more or less a decayed organic matter. The organic matter is chief source of minerals returns to the soil. Humus consists of decaying complex compound or substances from dead remains of the plants and animals added in the soil. The complex organic matter may be in the form of proteins, carbohydrates, lignins, cellulose, etc., and which comprises also the microorganisms. During decaying, their role is very important. Hence, the humus is important component of the soil. Next is soil organism. In the soil, various microorganisms and few large animals inhabit the soil environment. Soil has got own distinctive flora and fauna representing biotic components in the soil system. Soil contains several bacterial forms, more than 250 soil fungi, many soil algae, and actinomycetes as a soil flora. The soil fauna includes protozoans, nematodes, mites, very small insects, earthworms, snakes, etc. Soil provides stable environment for the food and the food for these organisms. Hence, this is the most important component of the soil. Thank you.